So I'm going to show you how to set any song as a ringtone on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now the first thing you need to do is get the song downloaded as an audio file and stored somewhere in your file manager. All right, so you could have downloaded it from the internet. Maybe someone sent it to you via WhatsApp or Telegram. Just make sure it's downloaded and saved on device. And then you can go to settings. Under settings, go to sound and vibration, tap on that, and then go to ringtone. Now that opens up the theme store in the ringtones category. So make sure at the top here you are at ringtones, and then you should see this option, choose local ringtone. Tap on that, and then that takes you either into the recorder or the audio files app or the music app. So you can choose audio files app, and there are plenty of audio files there. Now these are going to be all the audio files in your phone's file manager. So this could be voice recordings, this could be downloaded music, mp3 files like this, and you can pick any song like that one, for instance, and you can set it as ringtone by simply tapping on apply, and then choose which SIM card you want it to be the ringtone for, or maybe you want it to be a notification ringtone or alarm, depending on what you want. I'm gonna set it as my SIM2 ringtone, and it's now applied successfully, and that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck.